Light the candles, set the table, hear the laughter in the air. The cozy sweaters, autumn weather, every friend and family there. We've been running, we've been busy, now we're slowing down tonight. Thankful hearts and pumpkin pies shining in the candlelight. Pass the thanks around, pass the thanks around. Food and family gather, love is what we found. Pass the pie around, pass the joy around. Hold your hearts up high to this cozy sound. Oh my, my, get that turkey on my plate. Mashed potatoes taste so great. Sing it together right now. Happy Thanksgiving. Grandma's laughing as she nearly burns the rose again. Kids are chasing